how to make split screen videos on Instagram Reels. Now let's say I want to make a split screen video or a dual video that shoots at the same time. The first thing you have to do is tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. You just have to tap on this camera right here and go to video layout. Once you're here, it will give various options to choose from. You just have to tap on this button right here and change the way your screen is split. Let's say this one. Now, if I capture one of this video, let's say this one, now I can change the way I video the lower half, which is this. After that's done, all I have to do is to click on check and hit on next. Now, the reel that I have made is a split screen video that captures the moment at the same time. Now I can edit this, add music to it, add fonts or text. I can add stickers as well as filters. Now once I'm done, all I have to do is to hit on next and click on share to my feed. So that's how to make split screen videos on Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.